So it's time for the culminating activity in the Simple Machines unit, which is the King of the Hill Compound Machine Lab. Today is day one, and here's what you'll be doing. In day one, you're going to be getting acquainted with your car. Hi, how are you? And getting familiar with how it works. And you're going to be trying to figure out what you think is the best wheel combination and the best wheel drive. So I'd like you to do several trials. We have a place here for 5 of them. Whether or not you get all 5 done, maybe something you might have to look at tomorrow. But at least, so here's how we look. So you're going to have to look at your car. And we call rear wheel drive whenever the gears are in the back pushing forward. And then front wheel drive would be just the opposite, whenever you have the gears in the front pulling the car. So if your powertrain, your gear train here, is pushing the car, your rear wheel drive, if it's pulling the car, it's front wheel. Try both out just to see which does in fact work. So let's take a look at this. I think in the first trial, I'm going to try rear wheel drive, and I'm going to have my rear wheel size, I think I'll use the Sporty. And front wheel size, I think I'll use the small no tires. Alright, let me put that together. So I've got the wheels on my car, and remember that on your rear wheels, or front wheels, whatever the case may be, that you're going to be using for power, the ones connected to the gear train axle, you must lock that pin into the hole that is in the tire so that the tire gets turned. So what you do then is you take it over to the ramp. Now in King of the Hill, the idea is you build a car that can get to the top of the ramp, meet your opponent, and then push it down the other side, or somehow get further past the center line than they do, and block them off. So here we have the house car. If there's no one else there to try go against the house car. So let's go ahead and see how that works. So you'll start your car here. You'll hold the rear wheels up. Say on your mark, get set, go. Have somebody do the same thing with the house car. And when you say go, set it down. And it begins to climb the hill. Alright, so the car is climbing the hill. The house car is climbing the hill. They meet. And, oh dear, looks like the house car is kicking your butt. And once you get pushed down that far, you don't need to go any further. So, house car wins. Your car loses. So now you know what a loser car is. So you take it back. And in the space here, like where it says front wheel, just write yourself a little note. Lost, slow, and maybe put a little frowny face there, so you know that's a bad combination. So that tomorrow, when you're trying to remember what your best combination was, you can say, let's not use that. So then all you do is just take from your wheel stack, you try some different wheels, and you put those on. Try front wheel drive, so it pulls itself up, see if that's better. And hopefully by the end of the class you'll have a good idea what wheel combinations will get you the most mechanical advantage on the King of the Hill ramp. Good luck.